Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, I'll be picking few cards for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. So these are for your general energies. This card is for your relationship, guys, and this is for your career situation, Libras. And I have a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So that will follow this general energy, guys. If you are interested, stay tuned for that, guys, because it may answer some questions you have in your mind about your situation, guys. So let's see what are these cards, guys. We have the Pappus, Eight of Stars, and Ace of Spheres in reverse. So in your situation today, guys, Libras, it may be in your career or it may be in your life, in this relationship or personal life. So you have maybe some confusions in your mind, maybe regarding something you need to decide. You feel really stuck, or you feel unable to make a move, maybe stuck to some kind of circumstance, because it may be because of people criticizing you in some ways, so they don't feel confident with your decisions, and they feel that you will not make the right move. And or maybe for some of you, you are suffering from some kind of a illness or a sickness, so that is holding you up, really stressing you. You are unable to think clearly, decide what needs to be done, so for your career or personal life, maybe, guys. So you are in some kind of worry or stress today, and there is someone helping you today, guys. It may be your mother, sister, or a sibling. Some woman is here helping you today, trying to give you the right advice what you need to do. So it may be regarding something in your work, or maybe about this person you love. So, for some of you, you are in a difficult situation in your relationship. You don't know which way to go. Maybe you felt that it was true love you had towards this person, but it's turning out today that it is not honest intentions this person has towards you. So, maybe for some of you, difficulties because of that, or you're worried because of that, or maybe it may be something in your work situation again, guys. So some things you believed will unfold in a particular way, it has broken your expectation, and something has gone wrong in your work. So some worries or troubles because of that, guys, in your situation, Libras. So let's see what are the cards specific to your relationship first, guys. We have Lady of Suns in reverse. So with this card in your situation, guys, it may be what this person feels about you, or what you feel about them. So this person you love, what to say, they are uh, simply making you feel wonderful, because they are inspiring you. So this may be the person who's here to help you or guide you today, guys. So this may be the person you love. So they are inspiring you with their confidence, skills, talents, with their beauty, or how they are going about in their life today, guys. And they are really charming and sweet, and you feel really attracted to this person, and you feel a great attraction towards them, or they feel a great attraction towards you guys, Libras. So let's see what is the card for your career situation, guys. We have 3 of moons. So with this card in your career situation, guys, you are finally feeling that relief. Maybe some difficulties are coming to an end today, and you are simply relieved to experience that happiness because your troubles are coming to an end today, guys. And you are seeing success in certain things, and you are celebrating some things. So that is what I see, guys, with these cards for your general energy, Libras. If you are interested, stay tuned for the fairy tale pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card, and today's reading is a special fairy tale pick a card love reading. So it may answer some questions you have in your mind, guys, regarding your situation. So this is your first card, and this is your second card. So you can meditate for a few seconds, think about your situation, and you can think about the crystals, and choose the crystal which comes to you first, so that way that card, the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card, guys, after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so we will see what is the card, the first card for us with this crystal. So we will see what it is. It is Nixie of Melpont, memory. So that is the card here. So for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your situation today, you are trying to avoid some people, or you are trying to avoid a certain situation. But with this card, the clear message is that you cannot avoid it, guys, or you cannot control your own feelings. Maybe you have strong feelings towards someone, and you are trying to avoid meeting them, or you are trying to avoid this connection, or trying to avoid that relationship. But whatever you are trying to do, if you want to free yourself from that fear, or that burden, that emotional burden you have, you should be ready to face this situation. Only then you will be able to move forward in your life, in your situation. So whatever sorrow this circumstance brings, after meeting this person, it will turn to joy and love, and you will feel that true emotional connection with this person, and that soul to soul connection, and some kind of bonding. But you have some fears, that is the reason you are trying to avoid. You need to overcome those fears, guys. That is what I see with this card for those who have chosen this first card and this first crystal. So let's see what is the second card. I will leave it here now. So with this second card, guys, let's see what is the card. The Snow Queen, loyalty. So this just means that there is someone really close to you. You have a very deep friendship with someone, and this friendship stands for that innocence and that heartfelt communication, understanding. So maybe it is a very enduring friendship that you have with this person, and it has stood its time, faced lot of trials maybe, And maybe for some of you, this person you consider as your friend or very close to you, this may be the person you love. Something has come up and this person has gone cold and unresponsive. Maybe they are having some obsessions or addictions. That may be the reason. But you need to have hope in this friendship. Maybe today this it may be going through some kind of a difficult phase in this connection or in this friendship, but very soon it is going to get back. You are going to feel magic in this connection. You are going to feel loved and loyal and feel that trust with this person, guys. So everything is going to come back to what it was before. Maybe for some of you, you are missing that friendly nature of this person you love, and that this person has given you a cold shoulder, maybe for some reason, but they are going to come back to you and you are going to feel loved and you are going to feel that trust on this person once again, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen the second card. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.